Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my pre-planning for the week of May 28th through June 3rd in my Uncoiled Erin Condren Hourly. This might be one of the last videos I do in this particular planner because I am ordering inserts at the PVC sale. So I don't know how fast those are going to get to me, but this is the kit that we are going with today. It is a printable called Good Vibes, and it is by Paper Crown Planner. This is one of the sheets with the boxes and washi and date covers. These are the glitter elements, some deco, extra boxes, and these fun like bow strips, headers? I don't really know what to call those. These are the headers, boxes, etc. Really pretty floral washi, and we've got some deco and the full boxes down here. So this week is going to be, I don't know, kind of boring, kind of not. It is the second to last week of school for my kids, and all of our sports are pretty much done, so I don't have a ton of stuff to put in here. So I'm gonna make it pretty simple and straightforward. I am exhausted. It is currently like 11 o'clock at night and I've been up since 3:40 a.m. So I'm probably gonna speed you through most of this because I'm having trouble not yawning and nobody wants to hear that. So everything is going to be either from the kit or from this pile right here. I've got some fonting from Wild Sunshine, including Family Time, Game Night, No School. And I've also got my colorful glitter pencils from Wild Sunshine, which I like to layer with my No School icons or writing. Midweek Full Week, which I'm almost out of, by Bubba Bear Studios. Piano Beans and All Black Paws, which I use for piano and Cub Scouts. And then the only sport that we still have is basketball, and this is by Planner Bliss. I might pull in some of my character stickers, and those will be from Glam Planner. I don't have it out right this second. So I'm gonna go ahead and start speeding you through, and yeah, I'll catch you on the other side. back in my A5 binder. This was kind of a hot mess putting together, not gonna lie. I'm probably going to attack this tomorrow morning when I actually have my senses about me with some undo and straighten some things, because some of this is super crooked. But I really like the way that her shop used this artwork, and the colors are really nice and she feels like totally my vibe, but it's not overly like fashion in your face kind of thing. It's just kind of fun and summery, and I really like it. I'm intentionally leaving a little bit more space right here because I can always scoot these down. I do have a lot of mail that I'm expecting next week, so I'll probably add in some little things. I saved my least favorite box because I knew that I was going to be going way up into there and I probably wouldn't need one, and sure enough I didn't. Friday we're probably gonna have a date night, so I'm gonna leave that blank for now. I might add in a movie marquee since this kit doesn't have one. Saturday's plans are up in the air, so I'm leaving these open for expansion, and I need to cut out some of this deco over here. I'm thinking maybe this one. I'll put it right there, and I'll use one of my Planner Kate church stickers right here, but I'm just so tired. I think I'm just gonna call it a night and go to bed, and I will work on this a little bit later. So be sure you're following me on Instagram at Reese Plans to see how this spread inevitably changes. Thank you so much for sticking with me through this hot mess of a plan with me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.